Every holiday party is full of relatable situations, right? Like pranks, awkward and cute fun moments we can all relate to. Let's check out this list of the most relatable holiday moments. Like and comment if you recognize yourself or your friends in any of these sketches. Let's go. Whoa, is that for me? Ooh. Let me see. Oh, I can't wait to open it. Is this what I think it is? Wow, Chelsea, look. Oh, wow. I'm so glad you like it. I was worried you might not. Can I try? Oh, it looks so good. Cool, right? Thank you so much, sweetie. You're the best Santa ever. Chelsea, are you ready for your present? Yes. You got it. That's for you. Here you go. I'm pretty sure you'll love it. What? Girl, are you crazy? Kira, I'm speechless. Is this the newest? Okay, you're absolutely mad and I love you. Well, girls, it's my turn now. Is this for me? This one? No? That one's for you, Kira. Ooh, exciting. What could it be? I can't wait. What is this? Socks? Merry Christmas! Well, thanks. Maybe I should have gotten new friends for Christmas. Oh boy, I'm running out of time. The girls will be here any minute. Where did I put that lipstick? I can't ever find it. I swear I left it right here. I can never find anything. I can't show up with no makeup on. Okay. There you are, you little thing, you. Of course, I remember now. Okay, now I have to hurry. I must look fabulous tonight or all this was in vain. Perfect. Now I'm ready to go. All right, everything's ready for the party. I think I can treat myself with something sweet. Ooh, where did all these dirty dishes come from? Man, now I have to wash them. Lame. Well, at least I can listen to some of my favorite tunes. All right, the plates are clean. Hey there, little spoon. Get ready to sparkle. Oh, come on. I hate when this happens. Why today? I'm eating with forks only from now on. I don't need this right now. Forget these dishes. I'm going to meditate. Okay, gotta get all of these under the trees before the girls show up. Oh, what happened? Where am I? Where am I? At least the presents are okay. Otherwise, it would be a disaster. All right, this is it. It's time for the most important Christmas mission ever. To decorate the tree. Oh, God, who put them like this? How am I gonna... Okay, maybe this was my fault. But I didn't think back then I'd have to do this again this year. Ugh, I give up. I'll wear the lights instead of the tree. Ooh, I just love dancing. I can't dance forever without stopping. I know. A night like this happens once a year. We can't miss anything. Gotta keep partying. On the other hand, missing a few sweet dreams is also not very nice. That's our Zoe. So, should we ignore her and just keep partying? Yeah, of course, babe. You know how it is. Woo! Man, I am so pumped. No wonder we slept until lunch specifically to be able to last all night long. Guys, can you keep it down a notch? Let me spend my party the way I want to. Yay! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! This is the best party ever! Hey, we should totally snap a pic together with a little sleepyhead. At least she'll have a picture from the party. Cheese! You know what? I'm putting these on Insta while she's still asleep. You're evil, girl. Zoe is such easy bait right now. I just can't resist. Agreed. Ugh, what a nasty spider. Zoe will think twice before falling asleep at a party next time. Oh my god, are you really gonna tie it to her? She's gonna freak out. It's ready, shall we? Let's surprise her with a special present. Zoe, rise and shine, babe. It's time to get up. Is this for me? Oh, what could it be? AirPods, I hope, or something just as good. What the? Oh, help, help! It's chasing me! What's going on? I'm out of here. See you next year. Oh, this is even better than I imagined. Did you see her face? That was priceless. We are so naughty. Santa won't be happy with us at all. I think I could use some vitamin C right now. Gotta watch my manicure though. It was not cheap. And the party is about to start.
Nice.
Oh no! Not my nails. This is a disaster. I'm going to have to cancel the party now. Ben, where are you? Get over here. I'm right here. Press this. Is this some kind of game? Now twist it and pull. Ben, are you serious? Cookies? I love cookies, silly. Cookies? You'll never understand or accept our relationships. Cookies are everything to me. Wait, what about me? Leave some for me too. No love and no cookies. Hey. Ben, what do you want? Push and twist. Okay. Pull now. Ta-da! Whoops. What, he's not happy?
Hey.
Hey, Kira. I need to push right here. And twist. I thought you weren't coming back. Pull. Oh, I'm scared. Merry Christmas, my dear. Here's something sweet for you. Not as sweet as you are, though. Ben, that is sweet. You're so charming. Phew, I hope that makes up for before. Ugh, how boring. This is killing me. And especially right before Christmas. I gotta come up with something to do. Maybe something naughty? I think Kira won't be too mad. I'm just gonna take her pen and color it a bit black. She's gonna have some sticky fingers. And put it back. Now where's my pen? Ashley, what did you do? Can't you see I'm busy? Well, come here. And that's for you. Kira? I guess I got coal for Christmas, yeah? Yeah, it suits you. Now who's the naughty one? If you liked this episode, hit like and subscribe. We've got much more still to come for you. Stay tuned. See you later, alligator.